Best Amaretto Sour Recipe. This classic sour cocktail, made using the almond-flavored Italian liqueur Amaretto, emerged during the 1970s and was especially popular during the disco era. Nutty, rounded, and gently tart, it's a good option for those who prefer their sours on the sweeter side. Ingredients: 2 ounces Amaretto liqueur, 1 ounce lemon juice, 1/4 to 1 teaspoon simple syrup. Ice, orange slice, and maraschino cherry for garnish. Equipment: cocktail shaker, rocks to lowball cocktail glass. How to make Amaretto sours. 1. Combine the Amaretto, lemon juice, and simple syrup to taste to a cocktail shaker. 2. Fill with ice and shake until chilled, about 15 seconds. 3. Strain into a cocktail glass with a large ice cube. 4. Garnish with an orange slice and cherry, then serve immediately. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.